here at one of our recent projects where we've installed 5 kilowatts of solar PV and 5 kilowatts of battery storage. We have also removed around 30 kilowatts of old storage heaters and replaced them for the new Intelli heat electric radiators. We've got around about 6 to 7 kilowatts of electric radiators now installed in the property, which is making the customer a huge saving. The system works incredibly well alongside the electric radiators. So on this property we've installed 11 Trina Vertex 415 watt all black solar panels. That gives a system size of around about 5 kilowatts. It's also coupled with the hybrid Give Energy inverter and the 5.2 kilowatt hour battery. This inverter has a charge and discharge rate of 3.6 kilowatts with a capacity of around about 5 kilowatts of overall power. The battery systems are modular, so they can be added to in the future to increase the size of the system. So on this property we have 11 Trina Vertex 415 watt all black panels with an output of around about 5 kilowatts. This is coupled with a hybrid Give Energy system and 5.2 kilowatt hours of battery storage. So this system allows for the solar to work really well alongside the electric radiators. The electric radiators won't all come on all at one time. The heating management system will allow for individual radiators to come on at particular times so the solar can handle the output of the radiators.